What happens when devotees go out for Harinaam Sankirtan? 5 things happen. Number 1, when devotees go out for Harinaam Sankirtan, Hare Krishna Mahamantra is chanted and sung all along different streets of the city. And many new people get to hear Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and many of them even participate singing Hare Krishna along with us. So everybody gets the holy name of Krishna, and they also can chant Hare Krishna. Second thing that happens during Harinam Sankirtan is Prasadam distribution. When we distribute Prasad, the mercy of the Lord, so many of them get to take Prasad. So by getting this mercy of the Lord, also they get spiritually benefited. So many new people get spiritual food, that is Prasadam. And in this way, when we go out for Harinam Sankirtan, hundreds of new people get Prasadam from our Harinam Sankirtan party. Third is book distribution. In book distribution, we are going to distribute Srila Prabhupada books. So many new people get Srila Prabhupada books. When they read Srila Prabhupada books, they become devotees. And that's how our movement has spread. And these Srila Prabhupada books are the basis of our preaching. Fourth thing that happens is when we go out for Harinam Sankirtan, we meet many new people, and many of them also show interest. They wanted to know about us, the movement, Hare Krishna Mahamantra, the philosophy, and they come and start attending our classes at our Bhakti Vrikshas or at the temple, and then they start becoming devotees. This is one of the biggest advantage also by doing Harinam Sankirtan. The fifth thing that happens is some of them even contribute. When they see this good work happening, they wanted to contribute. So they contribute by giving some money or some kind of help or some kind of service. So in this way, it helps us and our program to continue the Harinam Sankirtan on and on. So in our temple, we have around 20 plus Bhakti Vrikshas connected at Habibpur and surrounding areas, from closest being 3 kilometers to the farthest 30 kilometers distance. And every Bhakti Vriksha goes out for Harinam Sankirtan, monthly Sankirtan festival. Every month once, every Bhakti Vriksha goes out for Harinam Sankirtan, and also the temple and temple devotees also go out for Harinam Sankirtan every month once. In this way, now more than 20 Harinam Sankirtans happen in every month. So every Bhakti Vriksha is located in different part of the city or town or village. And this Bhakti Vriksha may contain devotees around 20, 30, 40 depending. And they all go out with their friends and related members for Harinam Sankirtan monthly once. So in that area, surrounding area of 2 to 3 kilometers, this Harinam Sankirtan happens monthly once. And many new people get connected, and all the 5 advantages we can see and we are seeing happening. So in this way, ISKCON Habibpur is conducting Harinam Sankirtans all over the place where we are preaching in the 30-kilometer radius of ISKCON Habibpur Temple. Hare Krishna. So we all seek the blessings of all the Vaishnavas that we can continue doing Harinam Sankirtan and increase the Harinam Sankirtan more and more for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Krishna. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.